Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, we are doing our first modification ever to our large insulated smoker from Lone Star Grillz. You guys stay tuned. Of course, check it out. So Lone Star Grillz makes fantastic smokers. I don't think you can compare this smoker to any other smoker that's out there. The insulating capacity of it, efficiency of it is matched to none. Okay, I've used this smoker several times already. I think I'm going on about a year with it, and the efficiency is just remarkable. I've lit it, and I have the large IVS, and I filled it with charcoal and with my favorite chunks of wood, usually oak, about half full the tray, and it'll run for more than 15 hours. You know, it's that efficient at 275. At 275. Okay, it's that efficient. It's that great of a smoker. So I saw somebody do this on the Lone Star Owners Group's Facebook page, and it was very, very cool. So what I'm doing is adding some wheel spacers to this Lone Star Grill wheelbase, you know, to the smoker, and see how it looks, see how it performs, if it performs any better as far as the wheel turning and stuff like that, as far as balance, and we're gonna see how it does. You guys, let's go do it. So the tires currently, the way they look, they're almost parallel straight up and down with you know, with the smoker cabinet. You know, they don't stick out or anything. They're just straight up and down, and you know, and it works fine. It's okay. So what I'm going to do is add this 2-inch wheel spacer. This is a 4-bolt wheel spacer, which is coincides with the tires that are on it right now. It's got 4 bolts and 4 spaces right here. Now, the one thing that you want to watch out for, because it took me about 3 tries, and this is the good thing about Amazon, guys, is Amazon usually gives you no issue with returns and stuff like that. You know, you just return it and they give you your money back, no problem. As long as you return it, you know, some things have a time period to return it, and if it goes over that, then, you know, you lost your money. But the first one that I bought was the right size bolt pattern, you know, and the bolt pattern that fits on it. However, this center hub right here was too small. Couldn't get it on to the hub. I couldn't get it onto the, you know, I don't know what you call it, not the rotor, but I couldn't get it on the, you know, on the hub. So I went out and returned that one, got me another one. That one, the center hub was just right. However, the wheel pattern, the wheel bolts were off. They were too big. So send that one back. On my 3rd try, this is the one I got, and I believe that this is the size for it. And I'm gonna put a description down in the, or a link down in the description in case anybody else wants to do this. I want to show you this information that's on here. This will save you a lot of time if you're looking to get one of these. And the name of the company is European Precision, but you can find them on Amazon. And again, it'll be in the link, and it'll also be on my Amazon store. So I'll put this in my Amazon store. You can just go there if you want to check it out and get it, you know, for your smoker. It's a wheel spacer, 50 millimeters. Let me see if I can zoom in some. 50 millimeter, 4 by 101.6, and I hope it stays in focus. And then the CB, I want to say that's the center hub, 68.5 millimeter. So 50 millimeter stick, 101.6 going from, you know, from bolt to bolt across. You know, even though 100 would probably work as well. And the center here, 68.5 millimeters. So let's go ahead and put one of these on and see what it looks like. And they don't need to be torqued down to any specifications or anything. They're just, you know, I'm not taking this thing on the road or anything, so they just need to be on there. There we go. So that looks like a beauty. Let's go ahead and put the tire back on. Alright, got all the bolts on there. Just gonna tighten them up. Make sure these are nice and tight. And again, they don't need to be torqued down because you're not taking this on the road. Okay, and let me just drop the jack down a little bit and we'll finish tightening them up. And there we go. That's what the first one looks like. I just got 3 more to do. As you can see, that's how much more it sticks out. You know, compared to the backside over here, where that tire is just flush with the cabinet. So I just got 3 more to do, guys, and I'll show you what they look like. All done. Got the wheels on the Lone Star Grill the Lone Star Grill insulated vertical smoker. Let me show them to you. Here's what this side looks like. As you can tell, it brought it out some. Same thing with this side. However, when you look at the back wheels, it brought out the back wheels some, but the back wheels are still kind of flush with the, with the cabinet, which is fine. 2-inch wheel spacers, it did bring them out some. And there's the back tire. Let's give it a little spin around the block, see what it does. Here we go. And let me tell you, these smokers handle very, very well, especially, with the competition cart, with the off-road package. Watch this. Boom. Looks good, looks good. There we go. I'm gonna bring it right back over here. Take it in reverse. Watch the fins. Very, very nice. I love it. All right, well, there we go, guys. There is the Lone Star Grill insulated vertical smoker with the off-road package, and I just did my first modification, if you want to call it that, or maybe add on. I'm gonna call it modification. With the wheel spacers, 2 inches, brought them out. Handles really great. Whew, I'm out of breath. So anyhow, guys, if you're interested in one of these smokers, I'll put a link in the description below. Chris over in Willis, Texas, over at this company, Lone Star Grillz, they make all kind of smokers. If you're interested in one, or if you see something, or if you see, or if you don't see something that you want, you know, give him a call. You know, maybe he can take something that he already has and he can modify it for you and build you exactly what you want. Okay, but besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. I'm gonna play with my smoker.